Get ready to meet the bike that's set to redefine performance, because the Buell V2 is hitting the streets in 2025 and it's about to shake up the motorcycle world in ways you won't believe. What's up, riders? Welcome back to Biker's Choice, your go-to channel for all things motorcycles. If you're a fan of high-performance bikes that pack a punch, today's video is one you don't want to miss. The legendary Buell brand is back, and they're bringing something incredibly exciting to the table in 2025, the Buell V2. This bike promises to push the boundaries of what a sport bike can do. Today, we're diving into everything we know about the Buell V2 and why it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. Buckle up, because this is one wild ride. The return of Buell. What's different? Buell Motorcycles has been on a bit of a hiatus, but in 2025, they're making a bold comeback with the V2. Known for their unique designs and innovative engineering, Buell has always had a strong following, and the V2 marks a fresh chapter for the brand. The bike is designed to appeal to riders who want extreme performance with a twist of Buell's signature style. Think aggressive, lightweight, and incredibly responsive. The V2 is all about taking Buell's history of street bikes and cranking it up with modern tech, superior handling, and more power than ever before. While the V2 still holds onto the elements that made Buell famous, it's clearly a fresh, forward-thinking take on what a sport bike can be in 2025. Powerhouse performance. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The Buell V2 will come equipped with a 1200cc twin-cylinder engine, a powerhouse that delivers an incredible mix of low-end torque and top-end power. Buell is known for their unique approach to engine tuning, and the V2 is no different. Expect rapid acceleration and a thrilling ride that keeps you glued to the saddle. The V2 also brings a lightweight frame, which is designed to enhance maneuverability and handling at high speeds. Whether you're taking sharp corners on twisty mountain roads or laying down the power on a straight stretch, the V2 is built for precision and agility. With Buell's unique patented designs, like the underslung exhaust and fuel-in-frame system, the V2 keeps the bike light while ensuring optimal weight distribution for maximum control. Cutting-edge technology. Buell has always been ahead of the curve when it comes to technology, and the V2 is no exception. The bike is packed with the latest in performance and safety technology. One of the standout features is the advanced ride-by-wire throttle system, giving riders ultra-responsive throttle control with minimal lag. This gives the V2 a direct and seamless connection between rider and bike, especially when you're pushing the limits. For tech lovers, the V2 will also feature a fully digital dashboard with customizable ride modes, real-time data monitoring, and Bluetooth connectivity. You'll have access to everything from fuel efficiency to tire pressure, all while keeping your focus on the road. Safety is also a priority, with advanced traction control, cornering ABS, and an adaptive suspension system that can adjust based on road conditions. Design and aesthetics. When it comes to style, Buell has never shied away from making bold statements, and the V2 is no different. The aggressive, angular design of the V2 screams performance, while its sleek lines and aerodynamic frame keep things modern. The bike will come in a variety of eye-catching color options, each designed to match the bike's high-performance capabilities with a look that's equally powerful. The V2's minimalistic approach to bodywork highlights its technical features, with the signature exposed frame, distinct air intakes, and underslung exhaust. It's a bike that doesn't just perform, it commands attention. Whether you're riding down the street or parked in the pit lane, the V2 is sure to turn heads. Who is the Buell V2 for? The Buell V2 is designed for riders who demand more from their bikes. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for a bike that offers unmatched performance, or someone who wants to take their riding to the next level, the V2 has something to offer. It's perfect for those who crave precision handling, cutting-edge technology, and raw power, all in one bike. If you're looking for a lightweight, high-performance bike that handles like a dream and delivers the adrenaline rush you've been craving, the V2 is going to be your new best friend. It's also ideal for riders who appreciate innovation and want a bike that stands out from the crowd. Buell's vision for the future. The release of the Buell V2 is more than just a new bike. It's a glimpse into Buell's future. With the V2, Buell is proving that they're ready to bring their passion for performance and innovation to the next generation of riders. The V2 is a clear sign that Buell is here to stay, and they're ready to challenge the status quo in the sport bike world. As Buell continues to push boundaries with its engineering and design, the V2 sets the stage for even more exciting releases. With the V2 leading the charge, we can expect more groundbreaking bikes from Buell in the coming years. Conclusion: 2025 is shaping up to be a major year for Buell, And the V2 is definitely one of the most anticipated bikes of the year. With its powerful 1200cc engine, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched design, the Buell V2 is built to deliver an exhilarating ride that combines precision, power, and style. Whether you're hitting the racetrack or carving through city streets, the V2 is the kind of bike that lets you take full control of your riding experience. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Biker's Choice for more updates on the Buell V2 and everything happening in the motorcycle world. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, ride hard, and keep the rubber side down.